Hi, my name's William Van Huysen. I'm here tonight to unbox my phone that I sent to Samsung Service. And I'm hoping that everything looks great, works great, and is amazing. As you can see here, I haven't opened the seal yet. I'm excited. I sent this in a few days ago for my camera. The camera wasn't working. It wouldn't load. It just kept crashing. So allegedly they replaced the camera and now I want to see the results. But go ahead. I don't know if you want a close up of that. Can you see that? Seal is not broken, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Excited to get my phone back, although I've only had my phone for a few months before the camera broke, so that was a little sad, but okay.
It was a little shady.
Yeah, let's see, camera module was replaced under warranty. Let's see, oh, they give me a snappy new box. Let's see if anything else is in there. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, oh, my phone looks good. Ooh. As you can see, not scratched. Good. Oh, it looks like they took my screen protector off there. Aftermarket screen protector. That's kind of weird.
Why would they do that?
Let me look at the case here. Other than my fingerprints, it looks good.
Check the camera.
Yeah, let's boot it up. Good point. All right, so far so good. Galaxy S8. You can see a little behind the times, but that's how I like to roll. Let's boot it up. Let's just see if anything else is in here. No, I don't see anything else. That's just how I sent it. No SIM card tray. No nothing. The only thing I'm missing is my screen protector. Guess that's not the end of the world. Since it was $5 from Five Below.
Really?
Yep. Okay. Oh goodness, this is gonna take a long time.
Yep.
Maybe we should
Let's look at the terms and conditions.
oh, I've read
Once you
all
read
these.
and agree to these,
I love them. I think they're
Wi-Fi
wonderful.
would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
Let's go ahead and skip this because we just want to get to where we can see the camera. Whoops. We're gonna skip it anyway. We're gonna skip this because it's going to fix itself. Accept all the great Google terms and conditions. I'm going to not set a password right now.
Log into a Samsung account to
I'm
get
gonna
the
skip
most out of your
that.
device.
I'm gonna skip that.
All right. We're all set.
All done. I skipped everything. Can you believe it? Okay, that looks good. Here's the moment of truth. Ready? Here goes the camera. Oh my goodness. It opens and doesn't crash. Let's take a picture. Let's take a selfie. Test the other camera. Oh, what a good looking guy. Oh, there's a wonderful daughter. All right, that's my video. Everything looks good. Thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, and comment what other videos you would like. Bye.
Bye.